What's up, guys? It's Squizzle. Today I'm going to be doing a new video for you. This is a really cheap warded lock. This is made in China, but this is my roommate's lock, and he asked me to open it for him a while ago because he didn't believe that I could open it. So I've never really done warded locks, but this is like probably only my third time picking a warded lock. But here's the key. This is a cheap little $1 lock, by the way. It's nothing special, but figured I'd do it for you guys. So there's the key. It does work. I'm pretty sure that it only has one throw lever or whatever you call it. I'm not really familiar with warded locks, but there it is. The throw lever seems to be like right up on top, and like I said, there's only one because I'm doing it with this Jiggler key right here. So I'm not actually, I don't have a set of skeleton keys, but I mean, hopefully sometime I'll get one, but this is what I use right now. And I know it's not their intended purpose, but it worked, and I found it kind of fascinating that it was that easy. It's basically like using the key for it. That's the wrong one. But I thought that was pretty cool, and I figured I'd share it with you guys. So, thanks for watching, and be safe. Don't do anything illegal. Have fun.